let's look at two methods for outlier detection. So method one is going to be a combination of box plot as well as our interquartile range. So when you have a box plot, typically we're looking at the first quartile and the third quartile. And then you're going to see some of these extensions. Let's see extensions here. Extension here is actually the third quartile plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. The interquartile range is the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. So Q3 minus Q1. Any observations that are beyond 1.5 times the interquartile range plus the third quartile, these are considered the outliers. So let's look at method two. Method two, we're going to look at z-scores. So z-score is equal to the value minus the mean divided by standard deviation. You're going to end up with something like, you're going to have a distribution with zero mean and standard deviation equal to 1. And then in this case, outliers are going to be anything with a z-score greater than 3. And one thing to keep in mind is, with our standard distribution, when the z-score is around 1, that's about 68% of the data. The second ends up being 95%, and then the third ends up being 99%. So what this is saying is, anything with a z-score above 3, those are observations that are beyond 99% of the predicted data or expected data. So we're saying anything beyond that 99th percentile, we are going to consider an outlier.